Hey everyone, it's Adam from the Digital Media Lab at UMass Amherst. A common request that we get is how to transcribe from video or audio and how to make captions. So I'm going to show you how to do that using Adobe Premiere. First thing we'll do is open up Premiere, and I'm going to be working on a Mac. Okay, so I'm going to click New Project. I'm going to call it Transcribe Test. Create. Okay, I'm going to skip this import screen here so that we just have a sort of blank canvas on Premiere. First thing I'll do is import two pieces of media. I've got Interview with Mike, it's an MP4, and I've got Mike Audio, which is an MP3. I'll bring those in. And the first thing I'll do is I'm going to double click the Mic Audio. It's an MP3. So there it is. I'll play a little bit of it.
The attitude that he had, even at the beginning of the film.
Okay, so if I drag it into here, I'll make a sequence out of it. And it's just a simple piece of audio. Now, first thing I want to do is there's a button up here that says text. If it's not here, go up to Window. It's a window pull down menu, and you want to find text at the bottom. If it's not selected, select it, and then it'll give you the option to click text here. The first thing that you'll see is create captions. Well, I'm in my captions section here. I'm going to wait till we use the MP4 for that. For right now, I want to click transcript, and it's automatically been transcribed. So if we play here, it should follow along.
The attitude that he had, even at the beginning of the film, never went away.
Okay, so that's one way to transcribe audio. If you want to export a text edit document, just go up to the three dots here, click export, and export to text file. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it's still going to retain the name of the file, Mic Audio Test. I'll click Save. And if I go to my desktop, here's the text edit document, and it has time code for all the speech here. Okay, so that's one way to do it. I'm going to delete my clip here. I'm going to bring in my video, bring it into my timeline, and I'll say change sequence settings to match. So if I play it, it's the same piece of audio but with a piece of video.
The attitude that he had.
Great. So now if I go back to text in the browser, there's an option to transcribe. I'll click transcribe. Okay, so same thing.
Even at the beginning of the film.
Follows along.
Never went away. He had a...
Now if I go up here and it says captions, I'm going to say create captions, and that's going to put captions onto my video. So click on create captions from transcript. And subtitle default is fine. You can go through the options about which language to use and things, but for now, I'm going to use the default. So there it is. So if I play this back, you can see that the text is now appearing on screen.
He had a big fight with the studio and with the production manager, Steve Keston. They almost came to fist fight blows.
One thing I want to point out is Premiere got one thing wrong, which is understandable. It's a name. So here it thinks that it says the production manager, Steve Katz. That's actually incorrect. It's Keston. So if I double click here, I can actually change that. So I'm going to go in and change it. Keston, I believe that's correct. And if I hit return or just deselect, click elsewhere, and it should update automatically. So if I go here, you can see that it's been updated.
John was moody.
Let me just go back.
Steve Keston. They almost came to fist fight blows. John was moody. I don't know.
So there's that. Now if I want to export the clip with captions, let's go to my export tab, click export, and I'm going to save it to my desktop here. MP4, all that, export. So I'll go to test my piece of video here.
The attitude that he had, even at the beginning of the film, never went away. He had a big fight with the studio and with...
Okay, so that's it. So that's how to transcribe in Premiere and how to add captions to video in Premiere. Thanks.